Back. Yep. Hello. Okay, so today we're going to go to a beach area to the east of us that hasn't been at before, and see what's over there. There's a Chinese temple over there that I haven't been to in a long time, and so we're gonna go through the back here. I've not been this way in a long time. This is another way to get out of the kampung. So under the bridges here, there are pythons. We try to keep our granddaughter away from here because, well, how many have been caught here? 2 or 3. Oh, coconut husk. Okay, we're behind the community center and headed up towards the harbor. These bricks were at one time on they were the, I don't know, it's not the floor, but it was the harbor street, and then they were changed into what's here now. And so this is, oh, hello, hello. Okay, so just to show where we are, these are the restaurants. Oh, so here's the museum. The museum is open today. I didn't bring my phone, so I'll come by and do a video here with Zoe one day. So let's see, we're gonna cross the river. This is the first temple, right? This is the one by my house, Lingwangkyong. And we're going to a second one, which is down the beach. There is a beach. Back. And so coming out on the main road. Okay, so we're going this way. We're gonna walk down here and then go through Singaraja Square and then come out on the beach. There's the wall mural, and let's see. Do a zoom in. Okay, so you know by now, if you've seen the last Singaraja Snippets, that I really like these wall murals. Now, I don't know if I can get through that way, so we're going to go through Singaraja Square. That's the main road that goes out to the east to Kupatambahan and Arsani. Oh! Zoe di Denpasar sama Rebecca. Pulang hari ini. Yeah. Okay, that's my neighbor. He does ironworking. Back here, Singaraja Square. Wow, and look at this. So these are all empty here. Wow, this whole thing is empty. This was not a profitable making venture, I don't think. And the apothec with a lot of good stuff in here if you need medical supplies. And we're gonna go by, so this is the hotel, which was called Hop Hardy or something, and now it's called Singaraja Hotel. simple, friendly, cozy. Okay, and the restaurant looks like it's actually closed up for business. The ironworks are all rusted. And so into the next kampung, there's the beach. We're gonna walk not on the beach right now. So here's a sign: don't leave expensive things in your vehicle. Good morning. Okay, so I've never filmed here before. And some pool tables. Oh, I wish our street was this nice. This is paved and taken care of. Wow. Okay. And there's a catching lout. Wow, catching lout. So these are that's sea worms, literally. So bait. It's a bait place. But and so we're coming up. Pagi. And oh, I got parking here now. How cool. Okay, now what is this? Okay. Badungs or Baguna, Great Dharma, Singaraja. Here for a long time. And some old style houses. Hello. And here is the temple. Let's take a look at this. Can we read this? This has got some list of donors where you can donate things for the renovation of the temple. And you see renovation work going on there. Wow. Very impressive. And there's some people in there. I don't want to bother them. Big complex. But, and so over here, over on this side of the harbor, there's actually beach. There's sand. And well, the sand is semi-wet. Hello. Sand is semi-wet today because it rained last night. Hello. Hello. Siang. And so, hello. Kathy. Okay, so life in the kampung. It's been a long time since I've been over here. Long time. Years. I don't know why they have a nice road and we don't. have to ask Sue about that. And there's some guns down here. And as I said earlier, it's a little overcast. Then, and so, okay, this is a mixed community over here too. You know, a lot of the seaside kampungs are mixed. Not all of them, but a lot of them. And so this is Jalan Pulau Sulawesi. And I know that goes into the main street right there. You can go up there and go to the main road, heading to the east or west, depending.
Kurang keras suaranya, bos. Kurang keras suaranya.
Ya, sakit lahirnya. Halo. Apa kabar?
Baik.
Oh ya. Main apa? Main HP?
Main HP.
Ya.
Dari mana?
Dari sana Kampung Bugis.
Jalan-jalan.
Nah, saya tinggal di Kampung Bugis.
Kampung Bugis.
Oh, sudah 32 tahun.
Oh, udah lama.
Lama, ada 5 anak, 4 cucu.
Asal mana?
Dari Amerika.
Oh, Amerika.
Ya. Okay, and as I said before, Pak, hello. Hello. Oh yeah. Bye. Kasih Bu. Okay, said she can't speak. Some kids just called me a bule. Okay, so I'm not known in this neighborhood because we never come over here. Hello. But wow, it's much cleaner than my neighborhood. Hello, apa kabar? Ya. Baik-baik saja ya.
Ayo foto.
Halo.
Foto, ayo foto.
Apa kabar?
Baik.
Ya.
Baik. Dari mana?
Dari sana,
Dari sana.
Kampung Bugis.
Kampung Bugis. Dah aslinya dari mana?
Ya, Kampung Bugis.
Oh, ini ya, Suhana.
Ya, suami Suhana. Ya. Ya, mau bikin video aja.
Bikin video aja.
Ya, cucu.
Berapa punya anak?
5 anak, 4 cucu.
Sudah punya cucu. Dah ada kawin mau anak.
Ya, biasa saya sama cucu Zoe jalan-jalan ke sini ke sana.
Sekarang tak diajak.
Zoe di Denpasar sama ibu sama bapak.
Suhana mana dia?
Suhana di rumah.
Bugis.
Ya, bersih, masak, biasa.
Semua anaknya ada di Kampung Bugis.
Ya. Oh, anak-anak sekarang semua tinggal di selatan, Denpasar.
Tidak ada yang tidak, makanya tidak ada di luar.
Oh ya. Ya.
Jarang dapat luar negeri.
Nah,
Tidak bosan.
susah di luar negeri sekarang.
Dalam negeri.
Di Amerika bahaya.
Ya enak di sini ya.
Ya, lebih enak sini.
Indonesia aku
Ya,
aman.
ya.
Bom, tak ada bom.
Tidak ada bom, tidak ada senjata.
Paling kita nanti di bom mati. Iya, di sana tuh serem bom aja.
Ya,
Hidup tak enak ya, tak
Ya.
Kalau makan dari nas?
Nasi
dah.
nasi.
Oh, biasa dan ya.
ya, ya.
Ya.
Kasih ya.
Ya.
Go. Okay, like I said, many times it's so friendly here.